if you have recently appeared in CLAT exam and you are confused whether you should go for IP University for your law courses or not, then hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So today in this video we are going to discuss certain very important things. I think they are going to be very useful for all those students, those aspirants who are thinking to go for BA LLB or BBA LLB or LLM in IP University. So first of all, let me tell you why IP University for law courses. Then I'll tell you eligibility criteria. Then I will tell you whole admission process in these courses of BA LLB, BBA LLB and LLM. So watch the video till end, and if you are watching this channel for the first time, do subscribe to it because we are bringing new videos on daily basis just to provide guidance to all the students. So let's start now. So as I have told you, why IP for law courses? So IP is a very renowned institute. IP University is a very renowned institute for law courses. And if we compare it to other private universities, definitely here so many facilities are provided to the students. So if we compare this university with other universities, definitely here best of the infrastructure is provided, best of the faculty is provided. Here the latest techniques of teaching are adopted. Moreover, the placements of IP students are also very good. So these are the factors which make IP one of the most desired university for law aspirants. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for BA LLB or BBA LLB. So first thing, the first and the most important thing is that you must have cleared your 12th class exams with 50% marks. Another thing, very important, so listen it very carefully. Another is English is compulsory, means you must have studied English in your 12th standard. That is one of the most important things, so you should know this thing. If you haven't studied English as a second language or first language in your 12th, you are not eligible for these courses. Third thing is that you must have cleared the CLAT exam of that year only. It shouldn't be कि आपने 2-3 साल पहले CLAT का एग्जाम किया था और आप आगे अपनी सीट क्लेम करने, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा. उसी साल में आपने CLAT क्लियर किया. So let me tell you one more thing, that before 2019 actually IP University was giving admissions to law students on the basis of their own test. But from last year only they have also joined, means they have started accepting the students on the basis of this CLAT exam only. They want to be at par with the top universities so that quality education and their standards are maintained. For that reason only they have done that. I want to add here that there is no upper age limit for these courses, right? So if you have if you have done your 12th 3-4 years back, then also you can apply for these courses. So there is no start let us see what is the admission process for IP University. First of all, when the results of the exam CLAT will be announced, after that ranks will be provided to all the universities. Then the universities will decide themselves like what rank students they have to accept. Then you will be called, means suppose your name is in the list of first rank, you will be given a schedule for counseling. On the basis of this CLAT 2020, IP University will prepare its own merit list, and then one counseling schedule will be displayed on the website. That means whenever your date of counseling is there, you will be called on the basis of your merit list, means according to the merit base you will be called for counseling. Then this will be the first round of counseling and you will be asked to pay the part payment. Here also one thing is there that you all of you should know. I have made a separate video for that also, that this time your part payment, earlier it used to be 50,000, this time you have to pay 50%. So if any university is asking you for more payment, you should know this thing also, and for that you need to check out that video also. So after that, means in this way only first round will be completed, and then IP University will allot you colleges, means it has 11 law colleges. For BA LLB there are 1700 seats, and for BBA LLB there are 660 seats. So this information should also be there with all of you, and otherwise the admission process is almost the same as other courses. If you have checked out my previous videos in which I have told you how this admission process of IP University will go, so for this course also it is almost the same. So best of luck, get whatever you want, and if you don't get what you want, then you should always keep a second option in mind. It will decrease your anxiety. So again, if you still have not subscribed to the channel, again a reminder, do subscribe to the channel and share this video with others also. And if you found it useful, don't forget to like.